from friends with Nash Rev.
Today.
Nash Rev.
Oh, thank you, Revy. Today we're going to open one of Revy's Christmas presents. Slimy good, slimy sand.
2 donuts.
Molds like sand, and there's 20 pieces. What a nice play set.
Mommy, won't you open it?
Sure, can you say please?
Please.
Say yay!
Yay! Yay! Mommy, look at this.
What's that?
Look, 2 donuts. That's the 2 donuts.
Here, I'll hold the box, you pull that part. Pull! Okay, so there's some tape there?
Open it. Yeah. Open it.
Here, hold on, I'll help you. Looks like...
Pink. The pink one. I made it. My kind of small.
Wow!
Wow.
Look at all the sand!
Open it. Open it. Open it, please. Open it.
Okay. What are all these pieces first, guys? What's this, Revy? Revy, what's this one here? Look. What's this?
Green. Purple.
Butterfly. And what's this?
Purple.
Rocket ship.
Look at this.
What's this?
Ice cream.
Yummy ice cream. Here's another ice cream.
Yeah.
That looks like a unicorn. And this looks like a castle. And another castle. Another unicorn.
Cow.
Oh, and a yummy donut with sprinkles on it. A castle. Dinosaur. And a shell. Let's see. Oh, what's this one?
Oh, we can't take it off.
I'm not really sure what that is. Let's see.
Mommy, we can't take it off.
Well, let's go look at the colors first.
Open it.
Yeah. So many different colors of sand. Everything is stuck. Now let's look at all the different color sands you got. You got pink.
Mommy, look, a rocket is flying.
White.
Mommy, look, a rocket is flying.
That's right, you got a rocket and it's flying. Green.
Thanks, Mommy.
This is like a blue, actually like an aqua and another blue.
Ice cream.
We have this pink color, yes, and orange. Let's see the instructions on how to play with this properly. Okay, we were gonna open the...
Orange.
This is the orange sand. Whoa! You can make marble sand. Now you can make... Revy, look! Revy, feel it. It feels so nice and soft.
Jolly, yes, Papa. Eating donuts, no, not you. Telling lies, no, not you. So have some Play-Doh.
Look, guys, I made a butterfly.
Really?
Let's just start with smooth sand. We have to smooth it out, right? And then
No, Mommy.
push in the butterfly.
No, Mommy, I want to make a rocket ship
Here,
first.
you can do the rocket ship right. Okay, just do it here.
Let's take it off.
Do it right here.
We're going to take off the butterfly. That's good. We're busy. It's a rocket! Dad, look, it's a rocket!
Revy, do you want to put in another color sand? Revy, which other color do you want to do? We already did orange.
No.
Revy, which color do you want?
The butterfly.
Okay, here. Oh, you got the butterfly. Do you want to put another color sand inside?
Pink!
Pink.
Dad, look, 2 rocket ships. Just 2. 2.
That's nice.
Two
Here we
rocket
go, Revy. Watch out.
Rolling.
It's more of a purple, isn't it?
Mommy, I like the castle.
Sure.
Ready? I'm going to make a castle.
Good.
No.
Here's what we're going to do now.
That's better.
Push hard.
Remember saying make it to a castle.
Whoa, that's really great.
Oh, it's a castle.
Revy's making a purple tower right next to the castle.
Wow,
Nash, do you want to try a different color?
I like green.
Green. That's gonna be so cool. We have yellow,
They look Mommy got green.
green, and purple.
Ow, 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 ow,
Wow, Revy, that's really cool.
Ow, ow, ow,
Hey, this isn't green at all. This is
green.
blue green. Look, it's more marble. See, when you mix the colors together, it's like a marble effect.
That it?
Isn't that cool?
Hey, what's that? And what's this?
Looks like the earth.
Ah, oh, look, I'm touching it! We're putting colors on it, Mommy.
You're gonna mix them all together?
Yes,
Why not?
because we want to.
Look, this is an ice cream cone mold, so we can make a 3D
So is that
ice cream cone.
two ice cream cones?
So we fill it up with.
Oh.
Can you fill it up with sand?
Okay. I don't want to, Mom. I just want to make it.
Okay, you can make it like that too, but I want to show you something really cool. Here, now, let me see it. We put all the sand inside. Whoops! Some sand went flying, didn't it?
Look, Mommy. Mommy, is that for eating?
No, it's definitely not for eating. It's
Why?
gonna taste really yucky. One of them's supposed to smell good. I don't know which one it is.
Wow, Dad, look at this. Oopsie. Oh, look, Daddy, it's stuck. I can't get it out. Can't get it out, Daddy. Whoopsie. Daddy, look, it's right there.
Yeah.
Dad, look at that. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, it's
I did! I did! Look!
I can't get it out. Wow.
Ice cream!
That's actually ice cream. Oh, so yummy. This is. Dad, look at the ice
It's
cream.
very nice. Don't eat it though. Just pretend.
It doesn't taste good.
Daddy,
Oh, Revy's making big ice cream.
look at crunchy. Mom, look at crunchy ice cream.
Wow. What about this? What's this?
Mom, look
A
at
castle.
It's another castle.
Let's see if we can make a 3D castle.
Mom, look at making. Mom, look at making.
Cool. Nice ball.
Oh, look, it's a roll.
Look at my castle I made.
Cool.
Daddy,
That looks like yummy
I
sugar.
should rub your arm.
Yeah. Oh, look, Revy's playing with this.
And look at this unicorn. Who wants to make the unicorn? Ready? Whoa, he's in there somewhere. It's hard to see with all the colors. And a dinosaur, Revy. Purple dinosaur. Oh, he kind of got wrinkly. Revy likes to make a big pile of colorful sand.
Oh, nice. There, go get it, Revy.
Donut, donut, who wants donuts? Who wants a donut?
Oh, Dad, where's my hand go?
What happened to your hand?
Oh no.
Where's Nash's hand?
It got
Where is
swallowed by the slime sand.
Oh. Here it comes. Ooey, gooey, gooey.
Who wants a donut?
I do.
There you go. That's a perfect donut, Nash.
Yeah.
You keep that one. I'm gonna make another one.
That shoe.
Look.
That shoe. Yes, Revy. Any donut, no Revy. Tell me lies, no Revy. And some your hands. Ha ha ha. Don't take your fingers. I just got it.
That's another donut. Hey, you guys are squishing my donuts. Good thing those aren't real. I would be very sad.
Where's that one?
Where did your hand go? Oh no.
Here, Nash, lift your hand up.
Here it comes. Ooey, gooey, gooey.
comes it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let's try it again.
Should we open up another color?
Yes.
Which one?
Oh.
Nash, green, blue, pink, or white? Guys, which one? Wow. That looks so cool. Looks looks like cotton candy or something, but it's not candy.
Can you move your phone?
You see? Wow, look at that! Look at this.
Whoa.
But like,
Revy, do you want to open another one?
yeah.
Which one?
The white one.
Sure. Could be cool. White sand.
Oopsie, it's not white.
Here it is, guys. White sand. Wow.
The red one.
This one has a smell. Smell it. Smells like marshmallow. Smell it. Can you smell it?
No.
Smells like marshmallows. Doesn't taste like it though. We can't eat it. Now which one?
The red one.
Okay. I think this one is gonna have a smell too. Here in the bag. Ready?
Okay.
Look at it. And
The red one.
there's heart glitter in it, guys.
Dad, look at that. Okay, let's try again.
Do that again.
Yeah. It's a waterfall. Look, Rev.
Time for a snack. Hot pink donut.
Wait. I can't get this puzzle off. But it's really sticky.
Just wipe it off.
No, don't flick it around like that. Just go in like this.
The blue one. But the blue.
Man, Revy wants to open every one. I guess
Blue
that's what
one.
they're
The
for.
blue one. Watch this, Daddy. Watch me. Whoa. Again.
Ready? Who? Oh, this one smells good. Guys, smell this. Smell it. Smell it.
Ew.
Smells like candy. Smell it.
It looks like candy, Mommy.
Smells like candy. Wow, that is some pile of sand, gooey sand.
Yes, that's gooey sand. Then watch me. The white one.
You already opened the white one. This is the last
The
one.
green one.
This is the last one.
Oopsie.
Oh, look at this beautiful color. Look at this one, guys. Oh, it also has sparkles in it. Stars. It has stars in it. Look closely. It has stars. Can you see the star sparkle?
Wow, Dad, look at this.
I don't know if you can see it, but it has nice little glittery stars.
Dad, look at this. Look. Look at that.
Wow.
I can't get this off. Mama, look, I can't get this off, but it's really stuck.
Then you have to just do it like this. Don't flick it around because then it will go all over the place. You just have to pick it off with your fingers. Okay? Like this. Just pick it off.
But I like to do that.
No, but if you flick it, it will go all over the place and you're going to lose your sand.
Hugs?
Say, Mommy! Thank you for playing Celebrate. Thank you for friends of Nash Rev. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Bye.